All right, today is cleaning day, and there's a lot. We are Becca and Matt.
And we're full-time travelers working remotely.
We are currently traveling the United States with our 13-foot Burro camper.
And our 2 cats, Grace and Peach.
Right now, we are exploring the Northeast for the summer.
And then heading back west before winter.
Like and subscribe to follow along our journey.
Cheers!
Hi everybody, I'm sitting in the camper with a kitty cat, not one of ours. It's a sibling of one of ours. So anyways, we've been staying with family, but we're planning on hitting the road again. So I'm getting the camper back in shape before we decide to live in it again. So I thought I'd do a little tour of what we've been doing lately. All right, here's our camper. Right now, this is still a little bit of a disaster zone because there's a leak somewhere in there that we're still trying to see if it's fixed or not. So this area needs to be adjusted. We added a paper towel holder, and let me actually step in. And then this little magnet bar, it's normally supposed to be horizontal, but we don't really have a place for that to be horizontal, so it's vertical, and for now it's holding our utensils. And then we have this little water holder. We've had it for a while. We used it, as you can see, the company Burro, which they sell water filters. The filters are long gone, but we never threw this away, and I found the storage unit, so I thought we could use it to hold water. It just doesn't have a lid, so we used a paper plate for it. And that's pretty much it. The bed needs to be made, but it got a deep clean, so it's pretty much ready. Just for this area needs to be adjusted. What is that cat doing? And then we need to bring stuff in. Okay, we're gonna start with the bed. We're gonna take everything off, wash it, maybe even wash the pillowcases. I don't know. And then kitchen area needs to be cleaned. Fridge definitely needs to be cleaned. We'll have to show you that here in a second. Take out the rugs, vacuum, sweep, take everything out, maybe see if we can find where the leak is at. What else? Take out any food. Basically, just take everything out, clean it, and put it back in. So this is for my Burro people or anyone with a fiberglass trailer. We got a leak. Whenever it rains really hard, we've noticed it when we're towing it and it's raining, but it's happened here just sitting in the driveway. It'll get wet somewhere down here, and the bottom part of the carpet here will be soaked. And at first we thought it was mostly coming from the windows, which they do bring in some water when we're towing, but I don't think it's the windows. I think it's somehow coming from under the camper, if that makes sense. But I don't know from where. So if you've had this problem before, please let us know in the comments below. Hopefully we'll have it figured out by the time you see this video, but if not, please help a girl out. So this is our this is our bed setup. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those blue cushions that come with the camper, and then we have this mattress topper, and we sleep actually very good on this tiny little mattress setup. And then over here we have the disgusting fridge. Something leaked. It smells. We should not have left it like this. So we need to get cleaning. very warm camper. So I thought I'd show you real quick what we're up to in the camper right now. We're still getting ready to hit the road. We just recently sealed the roof fan. We were waiting for rain, but it hasn't come, and so I think we're just gonna pack up and either worked or didn't work and go from there. But I'm also enjoying a delicious bowl of watermelon right now. Oh, it feels like summer, and it's only the beginning of May when I'm filming or recording this, so I'm sure it'll get cool again, especially once we head up north. But today's been a nice summery day. So anyways, let me show you real quick what our dinette looks like. Not cute. Here's our dinette right next to the door, and I'm just gonna lift this up. This is where we've had the water leaks. So I took out the insulation that we had, and obviously there's a towel here for protection, but it's not raining anytime soon. So this is how it looks, just bare. Here's some wiring. We put a little cover over it. It's not really cute, but it doesn't really need to be. This is actually where the litter box normally goes, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the insulation in. So I put the insulation in. As you can see, it's like this white, let me come down from this angle, material. To be honest, I put it in kind of haphazardly because I know we're gonna take it out again probably for the next rain. Put tape on the back of it to kind of stick to the walls. I could have probably updated the tape, but I'm lazy right now. Plus I have a feeling we'll be taking it out again if it rains and there's a leak, which there will be. So, well, maybe there won't be, maybe we fixed it. That'd be really nice. But, so that goes in first, and then I put in this like fake wood. It was actually what the floor has on. It's like, you know, just a sticker that's fake wood. And there was some leftovers that the previous owner had. So I just put that, oh, I have to sneeze. Allergies. Anyways, I put that as a cover so it looks a little bit nicer and keeps the insulation a little bit more compact. So let me do that real quick. Okay, and then that is what it looks like. Little opening there for the kitty cats. Then on this side, you'll see we have some boards. I actually put in this like harder material so we can place heavier items on there and it won't, it'll just be a little bit more stable because there's wiring underneath this piece. So it's like if you put stuff on it, it would just roll over. So to make it stable, we have these little blocks, and then we put this board on top of it. We got it in. So now there's a nice little stable ground there for all our random items. Oh wait, one step. Boom, nice wooden floors in the dinette, just like that. Whew, it's hot in here. It's time to pack up the food. This is just what we happened to already have when we got to North Carolina. So I'm gonna try to squeeze it all back in. As you can see, a lot of non-perishable items. Can never not have ramen, broth. Always gotta have a huge jar of peanut butter. I've been carrying this chicken noodle soup back and forth across the country since 2019, but one day we'll use it. Beans, canned veggies, one last box of our Kodiak pancakes, love these. Tuna, and some grains that are kind of half open that we need to use up somehow or another. I think that's rice, yeah. Oh, and of course, oatmeal, olive oil, ghee. All right, let's do this. Okay, my thinking process is spices are on this little container, easy to access. Cooking oils, any kind of open items, like these grains are all open, and then our instant oatmeal I stuffed in here. And I thought maybe there'd be like coffee or tea that can go in here, easy to reach stuff. And then all these items I'm gonna put actually in here because kind of like our pantry. So these are all unopened. I'm not sure what we're going to be eating when we're on the road, so it's just easier to have them all here, and then more easy to access items that we know we'll use sooner than later go up here. But this changes on the regular, so we'll see what I stick with. Okay, everything fit in there. Of course, it looks nice and neat and even has a little extra room. That'll change once we're fully packed in here, but whatever. Food is where it needs to be. In case you're wondering what it looks like a few days before you hit the road again, chaos and piles of clothes. Hey, cutie. Okay, we're just a few days from hitting the road, and I think the car is more or less packed the way we want it, so I thought I'd show you guys around, see how we organize it at this moment, which again, as you know, can always change. Okay, this is how our trunk is looking right now. We took off the cover, so instead I'm using a blanket to kind of protect what we have in here. So I bought these drawers to help store some of our stuff. So right now, these two will hold our jackets, one for each of us, and then the bottom one will hold our shoes. You can see one of us has packed up, but the other one is still in process. And then we just have our yellow blocks. There we go, blocks for leveling. And then on, oh gosh, here's a lot, so I'm not going to show you guys everything, but over here we have some towels, we have a foldable table, tools, more tools, and then behind all this is our camping chairs, our outside rug, and I think that's it. Oh, and then our tent is down here. And then, as you can see, apparently we need boxing gloves. Don't ask me about that. And that's pretty much the trunk. So much more organized than it was coming out to North Carolina. So let's see if this works better. Then, for those of you guys that are curious, this is our back seat. Very spacious, very minimal. Yep. Okay, so again, using the blanket to cover up our crap. Here is 2 book bags, one for each of us, that kind of stores our like books, paper, journals, what have you. And here will be our main laptop, so we can grab that in and out pretty easily. Then in here we have 2 more drawers. This holds all the outside stuff for the camper. This holds our cooking stuff, like the outside stove and our cast iron. This is a bag with towels. It will hold our shower stuff, so it's easy to grab. This is a big laundry bag that's empty right now. And then let me go on the other side and show you that one. Okay, second side. This will be where our like ninja, Lord help me, ninja pressure cooker, what's it called? We got it as a gift from Matt's family, Ninja Foodie. So it does all these things. We're pretty excited to have it on the road, but it's quite large, so that will hopefully fit back here. Then we have another 2 drawers. This holds any sort of electronics, like our, oh my gosh, I don't even know what's in here. Random electronic stuff. And then here is our workout slash, oh, I can't even open it. Outside toys. It's the smallest container, but that's here. And then in the middle, let me cover this up again, will be where Grace hangs out. She has her little squished shark bed. Then Peach has liked to lay up there, so that'll probably be her go-to spot. And yeah, the front seat's empty. Probably won't last for long like that, but that is our setup. A little chaotic, but again, much better than it was before. So yeah, we'll see. I would love to travel with less, but that's the reality of having everything you own with you and being in a 13-foot camper. You have to use your car for storage. So that's how we're gonna organize it for now, but I'm sure next time we regroup, wherever that may be, it's gonna be redone completely. But anyways, let me show you the camper now. All right, this is the camper set up right now. We got the litter box more or less in there, and so far no leaks down there, which is exciting. We'll see if that stays. We got a little drawer that's gonna hopefully hold all the random electronic things that end up being everywhere when you're on the road. Stove is all set up. I mean, fridge, water, wine bottle, very important. Food, not food, and a bed, and a heater that I don't think we need. All right, pretty much set up. Oh, and then the drawers. So we still have some to pack, but we've definitely made progress. It looks like we could legit leave here in just a few days. Our next stop is Asheville, North Carolina. We'll be there for a week. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to not miss our future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.